Hi guys,
Welcome back to our food journey.
let's see what we are cooking today.
Today's recipe is achari paneer. For achari paneer, you need the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 5 to 8 fenugreek seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of asafoetida, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of black salt, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of curd, 1 tablespoon of oil, salt as per taste, 200 grams of cottage cheese, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 medium thinly sliced onions, and some coriander leaves finely chopped. Take mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, cumin seeds, asafoetida, and mix them all together in a bowl. Take a pan, add some oil in the pan and keep it to heat. As the oil heats in the pan, you then need to add this mixture and stir it till the time the seeds in the pan start popping. Once the seeds start popping, it's time to add the onions. After you add the onion, mix it in and let them cook in for a while. As the onions are halfly done, you then need to add the ginger garlic paste into the mixture and mix it in. Add some turmeric powder, mix it in, then add red chili powder, mix that as well, and then it's time to add the black salt. Mix it all together and add the curd into the pan. Once you add the curd into the pan, immediately, without wasting any time, you need to add the all-purpose flour. Once you add the all-purpose flour, mix it in carefully, avoiding formation of any lumps in the mixture. Keep it stirring for a while till the mixture comes to a boil. Once the mixture comes to a boil, which you can see now, it's then time to add some salt. Once you add the salt in, you need to mix it. After that, it's finally time to add our cottage cheese. Once you add the cottage cheese to the pan, make sure that you stir it in very gently, as there are chances of the cottage cheese breaking up. Once you do that, you then need to rest the pan for a while and cover it with the lid for about 2 to 3 minutes. Take off the lid while the mixture is still on the pan and add some coriander. Keep it on for a while and then stir it in once again. Once you do that, let it settle for a while and then take it off the heat. Your achari paneer is ready to be served. Finally, take it out onto a plate and add some coriander for the final garnish. Your dish is ready. This dish can be eaten with puris, breads, naan, and also with rice.
Hope you enjoyed the recipe.
Keep coming back for more.